Yes, I was able to get a motorcycle loan, a student loan, and move on with my life.
From a 614 all the way to a 794.
Had 117 things on my credit. They were able to remove 89 of them.
I actually just got approved for a car.
72% of my collection items and wiped them from my accounts.
We have 70% of my negative accounts deleted.
249 points increase and then
we have a 113-point increase.
And now they deleted 122, so that's like 90% of my bad credit.
85% of my credit to just bad credit deleted. I was able to purchase a car and take a loan.
We were able to take 50% of all my inquiries and have them deleted.
Bankruptcies, charges off, a lot of negative stuff on that. Things they removed 80% of negative activity that was on my credit.
3 weeks with Vivix Credit, and my foreclosure has been deleted forever, and I'm so happy.